Alright guys, we're doing something fun today. We're at a little shop called Fine Arc Welding. They do work for me and they're longtime buddies. We got Trunk Hunter over here.
Hey,
Hooking up to a trailer.
I missed my backup camera.
What'd you say?
I missed my backup camera.
Aw.
GM used to have one that was like a bird's eye view on the hitch so he could just touch tips.
Yeah.
Now we're just eyeballing it.
Poor baby. So I'll help you back up here. All right, come on. Slow, real slow. And we're gonna dock. All right, here it is. Haven't seen it in a while. Gonna give this guy some love, I think. Yes. All right, so I forgot that when we put this thing on originally, because it doesn't run right now, we winched it with my truck on the front. And so I think we're gonna have to use that forklift over there and hook a strap up to the front of the car and forklift it up. But we got race ramps out right here. Nice smooth entry. The header's still gonna hit here. Hunter's getting his gear out right now. Yeah, buddy, that's what I'm talking about.
You want soft shackles? Wait.
And I gotta go because this is complicated. Okay.
If you watch our winter video, you'll see why I'm the strongest man alive.
You see these thighs? You see those thighs?
GX.
All right, let's go.
Well, S13 should be a problem.
Yeah, buddy. To be fair, you're using two legs. Let me go steer. Let's drive a forklift. Here goes nothing. Oh God. Oy, oy, oy. So far, so good. And just like that, we have a car on a trailer. Yay! All right, we got the car loaded finally, and this boy's dead. Yeah, ADD, come on, over here. There's a lot going on. This is Drift Car Central, okay? Tucson, Arizona. I used to drift with these guys a long time ago. But anyways, we're gonna obviously get this guy up and running. But we got it hooked up to Hunter's truck. We're gonna try and get some rollers because, I don't know, that would be fun. But it's late and we just want to get it home, so it's gonna be nice. And also, I found a bunch of rat poop in the car, so that's really great. How's my forehead look from up here? Look okay?
Hold on.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's good.
Thanks. All right, let's go.
Here we go.
How's your toe, bud?
Toe's good, dude. Franny's only at 158 temperature.
Not bad. All right, that should be good. Yo, we got a race car.
Yeah, this Prius.
Yeah, dude, it's crazy.
Oh my
Those wheels.
Hell yeah, dude.
Different kind of two-track nation.
We're about to slide.
Yeah, two-track nation actually meant two drift tracks. It's all been a ploy.
Yep. We are going to drift the Prius and the S13.
At the same time. All right, well, let's do the thing.
Alright, hear me out. What if we just do strongest man alive? Stop. Stop. Turn around. Okay, talk about it.
I haven't eaten and I haven't drank any water, so I have little stars going on in my head right now. My eyes. But anyways, S13 installed in the shop. We're gonna do some drift car shenanigans.
It also has a V8.
Yeah, I know. I was just about to pop the hood. Pop the hood. Pop it. Pop it, Poppy. And, yeah. So this is a VH45DE, and this was actually, I've had this engine for like 15 or more years, and which is crazy because this was actually the first VH45 swapped car in the country that wasn't done by a shop. So I did that. But this was a long time ago, like 2005, 2006, I started messing with this engine. And the chassis, I did wreck the original chassis, so this chassis is new to me maybe 9 years ago or so. But yeah, we're gonna fix some fiberglass. We're gonna get some new tires on this, Toyo tires, Proxies probably, and a set of drift spares.
And a wrap.
And we're gonna wrap it. Yeah, I think, I don't know. What should we wrap it? What do you think? Should we make it invisible?
Comment down below.
I think we should make it invisible. Yeah, comment down below, but way below, and let us know
So
what
below.
you think. So below. Ooh, look what I found.
Nice.
We should hang this up.
We should.
All this stuff is Origin, except for the kit, but yeah, this is very old school. We got Autometer stuff. This is actually one of one. You'll never see another one like it because I built it. It's a full acrylic roof, and it just was a project that I tried out and ended up working, so pretty sick. We're probably gonna finish this. This was roughly installed so it didn't leak, so get this car looking a little bit better. You know, most drift cars don't look that great because they're just gonna get smashed up like that anyways, but yeah, it's better over here. It gets better. But wait, there's more. Yeah, so this is pretty good as far as drift cars go. But yeah, Hunter's never been drifting, so I'm doing this for Hunter.
He's doing it for me.
Just for you. But if you guys like drift cars, let me know. Let us know what you guys have down below, because I feel like there's a lot of people in the overland scene that came from cars. Because I did. I'm really old, but I feel like there's also a bunch of old guys doing the same stuff. So
Yeah, hence why I got a Prius.
yeah, we should probably swap these out for some Bajas.
Do you know any good lighting companies?
I think Baja Design. So yeah, we'll get, and they have SAE stuff, so we can do legal things. So.
And IR. I want to go drifting with night vision.
Yes. Shh, we didn't say that.
It's totally crooked.
Who
I
put
used
this
my
up?
wrong eye.
Hunter's colorblind, so that's why the camera was.
I have really bad vision.
This is the hot box, and this is one that we're going to be selling. I know this one's going to go on here.
This is my truck. This is my hot box.
This is his hot box.
It's gonna heat my cabin.
You can't touch it.
I'm
But
gonna put it down because it's heavy.
yeah, but we have we're setting up a production area over here so we
Yep.
can start making these guys.
This workbench just got finished last
Yep.
night. But so if you guys are interested in heaters, this is where the magic happens per MTV Cribs,
Yeah,
to speak.
exactly.
So this is our little
Invite
workstation.
only. We're going to be making some heaters here soon. We actually have 5 on the way. I just paid the invoice today. Boom. So we got cases,
So
we got heaters coming.
5 spec heaters are going to be live on the site soon.
Yep.
So if you guys have been, we've been teasing this for like
Yeah.
a year.
And if
or
you made it
more.
this far, because this has nothing to do with drift cars, so if you made it this far, we love you.
Yeah. But so we'll have 5 spec heaters on the site that you guys can actually purchase for this season.
Yeah.
And we got merch. We got t-shirts. We got hats. TTN
Yeah,
hats.
check that out. We got merch right back there. We should have worn merch. Oh well, we're bad.
It's all right.
You got that.
Ready
You got
Nutrition, San Juan Mountains.
Colorado. Anyways, we have a whole trailer to drop off, so we're probably gonna let you guys go at this point, right here. But yeah, it's getting late. I'm hungry, and we got stuff to do. So we'll see you later.
Alligator.